In this screencast, we're going to talk about how to register for Mastering Physics, which is the online homework module that you should have gotten with your e-text. You probably got a product key on a piece of cardboard that was sealed from the bookstore. So hopefully you have that, and this will walk you through that process. So first you're going to go to the website www.masteringphysics.com. Let's get this highlighted here. There we go. Hopefully I typed that up. We got a bad letter in there. All right, so that should take us there. Okay. And you get to this page right here. And what you're going to do, since you have to register, you're going to register as a student. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And it's going to take you to this page right here. You need three things. You have to have an email address. You're going to use your Brother Rice email address here. Your course ID I'm about to provide you right now as part of this tutorial. And then your access code is going to be what you got in the piece of cardboard that you should have picked up from Mrs. Cherokee in the bookstore. So select your location in the US or Canada, and you're going to say, yes, I have a course ID. So you're going to select that option, and it prompts you to type it in. So for the different classes, I've got two sections of AP Physics 1, and I've got one section of AP Physics 2. For this one, it's Barnes. I don't know why I put my name in there on this one, but that's the default, so I think I just left it. Oops. AP Physics 2, 2015. That is your course ID. Let me just double check that. Barnes AP Physics 2, yeah, that's right. Okay, so that is your course ID for AP2. For 4th hour, I've got two sections here, 4th hour and 6th hour. This is, again, I gotta double check. Okay. It is AP Physics 1, 4th hour, all caps, 2015. So AP Physics 1, 4th hour, 2015, and as you probably guessed, this one is just Physics 1, 6th hour. Again, all caps. All right, so those are your course IDs. I'm going to go ahead and type that in just so you can see the next screen. I'll register as if I'm in 4th hour. Should give you a green check mark there, and it takes you to the next screen, I think. Right. Or do I need to do something else? Should take me to the next screen. Hang on just a sec. I must have missed the next button right there. Sorry about that. Now you type in, yes, I have an access code. That's your product key that you got in your piece of cardboard. You hit the next button. And let me get rid of all this writing here. You've got to agree to some things here. You accept. And here's where you type in your access code. First, you're going to say, oops, sorry, you do not have a Pearson Education account. I'm guessing this is your first class where you've had some kind of online homework like this. So you're going to create a login name and a password. You can create any name and password that's easy for you to remember here. So whatever's convenient at this point. Later on, when you actually, after you've typed in your access code down here, you're going to enter my 4th hour or 6th hour or AP Physics 2 class. You need to type in your first name, last name, as it would appear on the class roster, so it wouldn't be any nicknames or anything like that. All right. So here it doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want here. This is as far as I can take you. At this point, the next screen would just be after you enter your product code, you would enter your name in the roster for the class and hit accept or enter, and then you register for the class. So everything should be good from there. The second thing I want to do in this screencast is walk you through some of the features of the eText. The eText has a lot of unique features to the fact, by virtue of the fact it's an electronic text, you have some multimedia stuff that you would not have in a hard copy text. So I want to just walk through some of that for you. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up real quick.
Okay, I think what I'm going to do is, because the interface with the laptop with the eText is so much different than the interface with the iPad, I'm going to go ahead and change the format of how I'm going to show you, record the interface there. So this is going to be the end of this screencast, but I'm going to have a second screencast here that I will post as well that will show you how to navigate through the eText with the iPad. Okay, thanks. If you have any questions on the registration process, by all means, bring it up to me before or after class and we'll work through it together. Thanks.